Birthday parties. They are happy, fun, and a perfect place to practice your social English. You need to know the right phrases for everything. How to reply to the party invite. What to say when you give a gift, and the best way to congratulate the person celebrating. Knowing these phrases makes you sound natural and confident in any social setting. So, today we're diving into the world of birthday celebrations, making sure you know exactly what to say from the moment you get invited to the moment you say goodbye. Hello and welcome back to the Ravand English podcast. I'm your host, Brandon, and I'm so happy you're here for this fun episode. We're breaking this lesson into 4 essential parts: invitations, greetings, socializing, and goodbyes. Part 1: accepting or declining an invitation. When you get an invitation to a party, it's important to answer quickly and say that you're happy and thankful. If you can go, you want to sound excited and thankful. Try these phrases. Thank you so much for inviting me to your birthday party. I would be delighted to attend. Okay, delighted to attend? That sounds great, but what does that mean? Delighted is just a simple happy word for very happy or excited, and attend means to go to or to be present at the party. So you're saying, I'm very happy to come to your party. Okay, let's look at the second example. I'm thrilled to receive your invitation. I'd love to come and celebrate with you. What is thrilled? That's another word, just like delighted. It means very happy or super excited. So it's a great way to show how much you want to go. Let's practice the third phrase now. Count me in. I can't wait to join the fun. So I am going to repeat all the 3 phrases one more time. Thank you so much for inviting me to your birthday party. I would be delighted to attend. I'm thrilled to receive your invitation. I'd love to come and celebrate with you. Count me in. I can't wait to join the fun. Okay, if you need more information about the party, here are some great questions to ask. Could you please provide me with the date, time, and location? Is there any specific dress code or theme for the party? All right, there is something important I want you to focus on. From the first question, I use the term provide me. Provide is a polite word for give. It means you want someone to give you information or an object. You can use it in different situations like, can you provide me with a fork? It simply means, can you give me a fork? But it is polite. Or please provide the correct answer. So, when we ask the host, could you provide me with the date, time, and location? We're politely asking them to give us the details. Sometimes you cannot go, and that's okay. It's disappointing, but you need to be polite. Always give a simple reason to express your regrets. For example, you can say, "Thank you so much for inviting me. Unfortunately, I won't be able to attend due to a prior commitment." Due to a prior commitment. Oh my God, this phrase is beautiful. Please learn it right here with me. It means you have another fixed plan or obligation. It's the most polite way to say, "I'm busy." You can use it in different situations like, "I can't meet this afternoon due to a prior commitment," or "I need to leave early due to a prior commitment at home." Due to a prior commitment. Learn it right here, right now, please. Okay, another example. "I'm really sorry, but I have to regretfully decline the invitation." I repeat that one more time. "I'm really sorry, but I have to regretfully decline the invitation." Decline the invitation means to say no to the invite. Decline is simply a formal and polite way to say no or turn down. "I'm truly disappointed that I won't be able to join. Please accept my warmest wishes for a wonderful birthday." Sometimes you can suggest celebrating later. For example, you can say, "I'd love to take you out for lunch to celebrate another time." So you cannot go to the party, you cannot attend the party, but you want to suggest celebrating later. Say this, "I'd love to take you out for lunch to celebrate another time." All right, before we go to part 2 of our podcast, I want to teach you something that is super important, and you have probably never heard of it before. RSVP. What? RSVP? What is that? RSVP is an abbreviation that comes from French. It stands for Répondez s'il vous plaît. In English, this just means please respond or please reply. When you see RSVP on an invitation, it is the host politely asking you to tell them if you're coming or not coming to the party. This helps them to know how much food and drink to prepare. So, if you see RSVP, you must reply right away. Part 2. Greetings and giving well wishes. Okay, imagine this situation, my friends. You have just arrived and walked into the host's home. What's the very first thing you say? No, really. What is the right phrase? I'll explain. Your main goal is to greet the host and the birthday person. Always start with a warm and enthusiastic greeting. For example, you can say, "Happy birthday! I hope you have a fantastic day." Or, "Congratulations on another year. I hope you have a fantastic day." Did you notice something important? I said congratulations with an S at the end, not just congratulation. The word congratulations is almost always plural. Remember that S. It makes a big difference. So, congratulations on another year. I hope you have a fantastic day. When you give your present, keep it short and sincere. You can say, I hope you like it. It's something I thought you would enjoy. Happy birthday. I got you something special. Or, I hope this gift brings you a smile to your face. Okay, there's a great moment at the party when you want to say something really nice, express your happiness for the host, or even offer a toast. Toast is a short speech before drinking. What should you say? I will give you 3 examples. I wish you a year filled with happiness and success. Cheers to many more years of laughter and love. May all your dreams come true. Let's go to the next part. Part 3. Socializing and the party atmosphere. Now for the fun part. Talking to another guests and enjoying the celebration. To start a conversation with someone new, ask about their connection to the host. For example, you can say, how do you know Brandon? Let's say it is my birthday party. How do you know Brandon? How do you know him? What do you think of the decorations? Or what do you think of the food, for example? Have you been to many birthday parties recently? Oh my God, do you think this question is good to start a conversation? I don't think so. Let me give you some better ones. What's the best birthday party you've ever been to? What do you like most about this party? All right, it's essential to thank the person who organized the event. This is called expressing gratitude. I want to quickly point out the pronunciation of the word event. Many people say event, but the stress is on the second part. Event. Event. This is not event. It's event. Okay? Now for the examples. How do we express our gratitude? You can say, you've done an amazing job. Everything looks fantastic. I appreciate the effort you put into making this party special. This one is important. I appreciate the effort you put into making this party special. Thank you for inviting me. I'm having a great time. I can see how much thought and effort you've put into making this party memorable. Thank you. All right, that final phrase is fantastic. It's polite, thoughtful, and makes the host feel great. Repeat this one with me. I can see how much thought and effort you've put into making this party memorable. Thank you. Let's talk about the second compliment. Let me say that first. I appreciate the effort you put into making this party special. Listen to me carefully, my friends. The word effort and the phrase put in come together a lot of the time. This is called a collocation. When you put in effort, it means you worked hard or spent a lot of energy to achieve something. You can use it in many situations, like he put in a lot of effort to learn English, or we need to put in more effort on the next task. It is always polite to ask if the host needs help, even if they say no. For example, say this: "Is there anything I can do to help? I'm more than happy to lend a hand." I want you to learn this phrase. To lend a hand is an idiom that simply means to help or to assist someone. Do you need any assistance with serving the food and drinks? If there's anything you need help with during the party, please don't hesitate to ask. Do not hesitate to ask. I'm here to help, so please feel free to delegate any tasks or ask for assistance. Let's look at the word delegate. To delegate means to give a task to another person to do for you. It's often used when you're busy and need to transfer some work to someone else. For example, the manager needs to delegate work to the team. So you can say, "I'm here to help, so please feel free to delegate any tasks or ask for assistance." Let's go to the next part. Part 4. Saying goodbye. When it's time to leave, make sure you don't just disappear. Say a proper goodbye to the birthday person and the host. You can say, "I'm sorry, but I have to leave early. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a pleasure celebrating with you. Happy birthday once again. I should get going, but I wanted to wish you a fantastic year ahead." Of course, no birthday party is complete without singing the beloved happy birthday song. Here's a reminder of the lyrics. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brandon. Happy birthday to you. Remember to sing with enthusiasm and join in the clapping and cheering after the song ends. It's a fun and interactive way to celebrate the birthday person's special day. Okay, we have done it, my friends. We have covered all the English you need to feel completely confident at your next birthday party, from the first invitation to the final goodbye. You know how to reply to the invitation, give a great toast, and express your gratitude to the host. Remember, the key to great English is practice. It's practice, my friends. So try using these phrases the next time you celebrate. If you just listen to me, you're not going anywhere. You should learn them. You should memorize them. And you should practice them. You should say them out loud. Please, please, please say them. If you want to improve your speaking, please say them with me. Pause the video, pause the podcast, and say them with me. All right, if you enjoyed this episode, please hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Thanks for listening to the Ravand English podcast. I'm Brandon, and I'm looking forward to talking to you next time. Goodbye for now.